Hello everybody, I am Jala. Welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, I am gonna speak about plural nouns. So let's get started. A plural of a noun is the form of a noun used to show there is more than one thing, person, place, idea. We generally add suffixes s or es to the end of most nouns to make them plural. For example, a car, cars, a book, books, a window, windows. Pay attention to the articles: a window, a chair, a car. We say a when the noun is singular. But when the noun is plural, we don't use the article a, because a means one. Learn more rules about plural nouns. If the noun ends in f or fe, we change f or fe to ve, and then we add s to make them plural. For example, a wife, wives. A leaf, leaves. A thief, thieves. A shelf, shelves. A knife, knives. A wolf, wolves. And so on. And there are also some exceptions: roofs, beliefs, chiefs, chefs, proofs. In these words, we don't change the letter F. We only add S. There are also some nouns which can be pluralized in both ways: a hoof, hoofs, hooves. A scarf, scarfs, scarves. A wharf, wharfs, wharves. If a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a consonant, we change y to I and add es. For example, a city, cities. A baby, babies. But when a singular noun ends in y and the letter before the y is a vowel, we don't change y. We simply add s. A boy, boys. A monkey, monkeys. If the nouns end in o, x, s, ss, ch, sh, gch, z, we add es to make the nouns plural. For example, a bus, buses. A watch, watches. A box, boxes. If the singular nouns end in on, the plural ending is a. For example, a phenomenon, phenomena. A criterion, criteria. We also have irregular plural nouns that take unique forms. Irregular plural nouns do not follow plural noun rules. They follow noun-specific rules. A man, man. A woman, woman. A tooth, teeth. A goose, geese. A foot, feet. A louse, lice. A mouse, mice. A person, people. I saw a woman in the hall. I saw two women in the hall. The baby has one tooth. The baby has 3 teeth. When the nouns end in o, we add es to make them plural. A potato, potatoes. But there are some nouns that end in O, but we don't add es when we make them plural. We simply add s. A kilo, kilos. A photo, photos. A piano, pianos. A radio, radios. A studio, studios. But there are also some nouns that are pluralized in two ways. A mosquito, mosquitoes. A volcano, volcanoes. A tornado, tornadoes. We also have some nouns that are always in plural. People, police. Cattle, poultry. Gentry, wages, stairs, greens, goods, and so on. Some nouns don't change when they are pluralized. A sheep, sheep. A fish, fish. A swine, swine. A deer, deer. A series, series. A means, means. But how to know when they are singular or plural? If we say one sheep, a sheep, it means it is singular. But when we say a lot of sheep, two sheep, it means it is plural. There is a sheep in the yard. There are two sheep in the yard. But when we speak about different kinds of fish, we can say fishes. We can make it plural. There are a lot of kinds of fishes in the ocean. Sometimes we use a plural noun for one thing that has two parts. Trousers, pants, jeans, shorts, pajamas, binoculars, scissors, scales, glasses, spectacles, and so on. We don't use the article a before these nouns. We don't say a trousers, a jeans. But you can use a pair of before these nouns to make it singular. A pair of trousers. Pay attention. There are trousers on the bed. There is a pair of trousers on the bed. There was a pair of scissors on the table. There were scissors on the table. Here is singular, but are is plural. Was is singular, were is plural. Look at these words. How do you think? Are they plural? They end in s. We can see the suffix s at the end of these words, but they are not plural. We can see the word news. We can see some names of games: billiards, drafts, chess, dominoes. We can see some science names: economics, politics, math, physics. Science names that end in x, and these words are always in singular. So I hope you learned something new about plural nouns. Practice these nouns in your speech. You'll learn more grammar rules from my lessons if you keep on watching my videos. See you next time!